June 8th, 159th day of this year. Means 206 days is still left for 2020. We don't know how fast it went with this corona and lockdown. This June 8th, which is on Monday, Monday is a day of happiness. And the third lunar day is going to happen. There was a full moon and then there was a Prathama, then Dutiya, and now it is third lunar day. This third lunar day is very much known for Annaprashana, to start for their child, first food ceremony. And this is also a very auspicious day for Simanta, means before delivery of the baby, preparation of pregnant woman. This is the most auspicious day to bring positive energy to the lady in 8th month pregnancy. And this is also a very good day to start music class when you want to start, or you start any teaching program for yourself or for your children, anyone. So among all lunar sizes, actually second is very good and third lunar day is even better than second. So all what you can do on second day, like promotion, like getting position in your job, or getting any purchasing of vehicle, purchasing of house, everything you can do on second. But addition to that, on third lunar day you can start first food giving ceremony. Now this third lunar day, which is so auspicious, and day which is Monday, moon day, is also very auspicious, happening. This moon is coming in front of the star called Alpha Sagittarius, which is Purvashada. What happens on Purvashada? Vigraham graha bandha mokshanam. You can do any type of difficult tasks when moon is coming in front of Purvashada set of stars, like bandha mokshana, getting released from attachments, getting released from bondages, getting released from imprisonment, and you can take any tough decisions on this day. You see, it means that if you want to take tough decision, or if you want to win your attachments, or if you want to come out of bondages, you need to be very strong. So this moon, when it comes in front of Purvashada set of stars, it makes person's mind very strong. So it's a day of mental strength. Number two, moon day is a day of pleasure, and third lunar day is also for pleasure and success, learning. So this is a day for emotional pleasure. This is a day for very good learning, starting your learnings, knowledge, and this is a day for mental strength. So my dear friends, June 8th, 159th day of the year, Monday, is a day for emotional happiness, emotional pleasures. Enjoy. Learning the knowledge, learn. And to increase your confidence, increase your mental strength, so make impossible into possible. My dear friends, this series of Panchanga Muhurta, I have started this project from June 1st. The reason is this, that from my childhood I used to see that people used to come to my temple. People used to come and ask my grandfather, when is Ekadashi? When is good day to start first food for my son or daughter? When is good day to start business? Please find out the good day for marriage of my child. But nowadays, we all became so busy before Corona phase. Everybody was running in the race of earning money. We forgot to enjoy. We forgot to live the life. But this part of Jyotisha was not just to earn money. They also told the days to start, because they gave very good importance to starting. If the starting happens on right time, then the whole process is going to be right and results going to be good. Everybody in their life, apart from earning money, has a dream to have one house, one vehicle, very good auspicious time for marriage. Once or twice people used to go for market to purchase clothes, like on New Year or on Diwali or Holi. But now it is everything gone. Anytime when you want, people are going and doing shopping. There used to be monthly purchase of grocery items, of household things. So what is the right day, what right time for that, so that we can purchase right thing? We should not get cheated, and we should feel satisfied after that, after spending money. These all things were given by Muhurta, by getting a particular time by astrologer. Traveling used to be a very important aspect of life, because once when you move, you change your water, you change your food, you change your place of sleeping. So how you can get an adaptability with the new place, whether cosmic environment is supportive to your cosmos. So they used to ask for date of traveling, for auspicious works, or to handle difficult tasks. Nowadays we lost this beautiful science, and nobody is really, not I wouldn't say nobody, but very less people are helping us to plan our life, to select the best date. So again, I wanted this to help, and I wanted to reach maximum people. I found this YouTube channel as a very good vehicle for this. If you are going to share this information of every day, and more people can get a benefit of this, I will feel that this effort has got blessed by God. Thank you.